Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today you're going to learn how to recover deleted photos from Android phone after factory reset. There are two different methods that I'm going to show you today, and this is just luck. I cannot assure you, and anybody can assure you, that you're going to recover all those photos because a factory reset is a really strong measure. Okay, so first of all, the first method is going to your Google apps and open the Google Photos app. So there probably you have synced your photos with your account. I'm going to tap my profile picture in the top right corner. By now my backup is off because I don't like to do that, but I suggest you that if you don't want to lose your photos or your videos, your backup is always on, okay? And remember, the account storage for this cloud service is until 15 gigabytes, okay? So, and if you have that, probably you're going to be able to recover those photos with any problem. Also, you must try to go into the last option at the bottom of your screen, library, and there you have the trash. Perhaps you're going to find some results there, like photos or videos that you can recover. Remember, backup items will be permanently deleted after 16 days in trash, 60 days, sorry, and items that aren't backed up will be deleted after 30 days. That's what you must remember. The second method is in your computer, so I'm going to switch to my computer, and here I have a program whose name is DroidKit. In DroidKit, you're going to be able here in this option, data recovery, to make a deep recovery from the device. Unfortunately, this is an option that is just available in the premium mode, but I want to show you indeed that you can select a different and a great variety of files, of data from your mobile. So I suggest you to select those photos and videos, and to begin, obviously you must connect your Android device to your computer through the USB port and begin the process with it. Android Kit is available in Mac OS and Windows, so this is going to allow you to obtain your recovered data directly in your computer or in your device, whatever do you prefer, okay? And that's how you can do it. As I told you at the beginning of the video, probably this is going to be hard because a factory reset is a really strong measure, okay? Thanks for watching.